Hi and welcome back to the Fish Room. In today's video, the Playful Panda Garra species spotlight. The Panda Garra Garra flavatra stands out as one of the most colourful and captivating species within the Garra genus. Its unique appearance and lively behaviour have contributed to its recent surge in popularity among aquarium enthusiasts and fish-keeping hobbyists alike. These active and entertaining little fish, with a maximum size of approximately 8 to 9 centimetres, are an excellent choice for the larger end of nano aquariums or small community aquariums. Their dynamic presence and playful nature make them stand out, bringing activity and visual interest to your aquarium setup. To enhance the social and behavioural well-being of the Panda Garra, it is advisable to house them either solitarily or in groups of 5 or more. Based on our experience with these fish, we have observed that they exhibit territorial and aggressive behaviours towards their own species when kept in smaller groups. A larger group or individual housing mitigates this issue, promoting a more harmonious and stress-free environment for these captivating fish. An ideal tank setup for Panda Garra includes a varied substrate comprising gravel, rocks and pebbles, complemented by resilient plants like cryptocorin and Amazon swords. Prioritising well-oxygenated water conditions is key to their health and vitality. Notably, these fish are known to attempt escapes if their tank environment isn't optimal, making a secure, tight-fitting lid an essential feature of their habitat to ensure their safety and well-being. Despite being known to graze on algae, the Panda Garra is an omnivore and requires a varied diet. It is recommended to provide them with a mix of meaty and plant-based foods. Meaty foods such as live or frozen artemia, bloodworm, chopped prawn and tubifex should be included in their diet, along with high-quality sinking wafers and pellets that contain a balance of vegetable matter like spirulina. In our experience, these fish are not picky eaters and will readily accept most foods added to the aquarium. When feeding, they utilise their modified lower lip, which forms a slightly adhesive disc in turbulent waters, allowing them to cling to surfaces while feeding. The Panda Garra, Garra flavatra, finds its home in the diverse aquatic environments of Southeast Asia, particularly within the streams and rivers of the Rakhine state in western Myanmar. These fish thrive in the dynamic ecosystems provided by the Arakan and Rakhine Yoma mountain ranges. Adapted to life in fast-flowing waters, Panda Garras are typically found in environments with strong currents and high oxygen levels. Their natural habitat consists of substrates rich in sand, gravel, pebbles and rocks, offering them ample opportunities for foraging and adhering to surfaces, a behaviour facilitated by their unique physical adaptations. Overall, the Panda Garra is an excellent addition to any aquarium and is sure to delight any hobbyist with its unique appearance and behaviour.
Thanks for watching.